Hello friends, Namaskaram. Myself is Dr. Jinesh Soni. In the today class, we will discuss about demand in context with Prevention of Corruption Act. As we know that demand is sine qua non to prosecute a person under Prevention of Corruption Act. If demand is not proved in that scenario, prosecution would be bad in law. There might be cases wherein there is a recovery or an acceptance, but even though the court rejected the prosecution on ground that demand is not proved. So we could say that demand is must. No demand, no prosecution. Please be noted. Now the primary question arises how to ascertain the demand and for which what documents are required to be considered. To ascertain demand, first of all we have to find out the verification report. Verification report is provided to the accused in the charge sheet. In the verification report, there are two parts. Number one, the report submitted by the complainant to police means ACB or vigilance with request to take action. Number two, transcription. In the report, he submitted a story. For example, my work is pending with the accused. For doing the work, he is demanding money as bribe. I am not willing to give the money as bribe. Please take action. While in the transcription, there is a conversation between the accused and complainant on the basis of which the concerned authority ascertain the concept of demand. But we have to understand that the report submitted by the complainant must match with the transcription. If there is a variation in that scenario, we could have the benefit. For this, we have to emphasize on judgment of Honorable Supreme Court, that is N. Vijay Kumar versus State of Tamil Nadu. Judgment date is 3rd of Feb 2021, and apart from that we are having judgment of Honorable Karnataka High Court titled as Mahesh PS versus State of Karnataka. Judgment date is 24th of May 2023. Recently we are having important judgment of Honorable Karnataka High Court, that is Mary Anita versus State of Karnataka. Judgment date is 22nd of November 2024. In all the cases, it is specified that the demand must be clear, consistent, and must be supported with due corroborations. If the said scenario is not available, in that condition, the accused could have the benefit. I want to clarify that while studying the report, first you have to make points. When the report is submitted, number one, to whom the report is submitted. Number three, what motive is attributed in the report. Number four, whether demand is single or multiple. Number fifth, when the last demand was made. And apart from that, whether the person is having any legal competency while making the report. So we have to work out on each and every point. And I suggest you further to apply under section 94 of BENSS. The reason is that there might be a possibility the complainant is in communication with ACB or vigilance, so that we could rule out the scenario and could specify that it is a case where there was a planning to trap the accused. Apart from that, we have to consider the entire audio consent with transcription and have to find out the property hash value, and apart from that we have to find out whether the alleged copy is clone copy or not. To ascertain the same, we could take the assistance of cyber expert, and apart from that, in recent time there might be a possibility that AI tool is used by the ACB or vigilance to implicate the concerned accused. So cyber expert could rule out the same, and the opinion of cyber expert is relevant to cover the said scenario. In addition to this, we have to study the transcription and have to find out whether the report submitted by the complainant is in actual corroboration with the facts mentioned in the transcription or not. If there is a mismatch, then we could have the benefit. And apart from that, we have to consider the statement of the complainant recorded as per section 180 of BENSS with section 183 of BENSS. And apart from that, we have to consider the testimony of other witnesses and have to find out who are the eyewitness and who are the hearsay evidences. Please be noted, the testimony of hearsay evidence is totally weak piece of evidence. So if the eye evidences are available in that scenario, we have to find out whether their statement are consistent or inconsistent. If they are inconsistent, we could have the benefit, because there might be a possibility that cyclostyle statements are incorporated, which are nothing but mere copy paste, as observed by Honorable Bombay High Court in Judgment X versus State of Maharashtra. Judgment date is 10th of Jan 2025. So in that scenario, we could have the benefit. And apart from that, we have to find out the position of audio in term of section 63 of BSA. BSA means Bharati Saksha Adhiniyam. And apart from that, we have to work out on the point of audiometry and voice spectroscopy. Please be noted, the confirmation of your voice is not the conclusive proof that you are guilty, as observed by Honorable Bombay High Court in judgment Dada Sahib versus State of Maharashtra. Judgment date is 27th of November 2024. And apart from that, we have to find out the real role of the concerned shadow witness and the witness who are alleged to be independent, so that we could confirm the point of demand, whether it is suggestive or artificial or natural. Please be noted again, if demand is not voluntarily, in that scenario we could have the benefit. So in the last, we could say that to constitute a demand, there must be a work pending with the accused to do or to forbear the official function the demand was made. There must be evidence of that nature. Apart from that, there must be corroborations on record. And in addition to this, the consent transcription must be in line with the report. In addition to this, we have to find out whether sanction authority had considered all these points or not. If sanction is cyclostyle, then we could have the benefit. And apart from that, if there is a strong motive on the part of complainant to implicate us, we may put up the same. So we have to work out on each and every factor to find out whether the demand is genuine or it is fabricated or it is artificial in nature. So I hope that I inter alia provide you the information on this subject. If you are having any query, please feel free to write in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.